how to add the news topic widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold. Then tap on the edit button. Next, from the pop-up, tap on add widget. Then we scroll down, and in here, scroll down and tap on news. After that, you can scroll across, so swipe left or right and choose a widget size. So here we got small, medium, and large. After that, tap on add widget and then tap on done. And that's it. So that is how you can add the news widget to the home screen. You can also edit it. So touch and hold on the widget, then tap on edit widget. And from here, you can choose a news topic. So at the moment, it is set to science and maybe finance. And then tap on the search button and then financial markets. And that's it. So after that, we can view financial markets from the widget. You can also add in another widget, and then we can choose a different topic. So here, if I scroll down and choose news, and then I'll choose a different topic. So I tap on the add button, and here I will tap on the widget, and I will tap on topic. From here, you can choose, say, sport search. So sport in Australia or sport as in general. And then after that, tap on done. So here we've got one widget to display information about sport and another widget about financial markets. So you can add in multiple widgets and that will allow you to display different topics for the different added widgets. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.